These 25 smart kitchen gadgets look like they're straight out of the future, but they're available on Amazon right now. Thousands are upgrading their kitchens with them, but wait until you see the final gadget, because it might be the smartest kitchen innovation of 2026. Wash and dry your greens in seconds with this stainless steel salad spinner, just $34. The 4.8 quart capacity and smooth crank design make cleaning vegetables quick and effortless. Featuring a BPA-free build, non-slip base, and transparent lid, it's durable, easy to use, and perfect for fresh, crisp salads every time. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Save space and simplify meal prep with this 3-pack collapsible colander set. Perfect for draining pasta, washing fruits, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning rice, these foldable strainers collapse flat for easy storage. The oversized draining tray adds extra convenience, making kitchen tasks faster and cleaner. Get this versatile set today for just $21. Enjoy versatile cooking with the Fohere 3-in-1 waffle maker sandwich press. With 1200 W power, it easily makes waffles, sandwiches, and paninis. The removable non-stick plates ensure quick cleanup, while 5-gear temperature control gives perfect results every time. With handy indicator lights and a sleek red design, it's your all-in-one kitchen companion. Cook for the whole family with the Dash family-size skillet. Featuring a spacious 6-quart capacity and 14-inch non-stick surface, it's perfect for large meals. The tempered glass lid and cool touch handles ensure safe, easy cooking, versatile and convenient for any kitchen. Slice pizza effortlessly with the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel, just $9. This heavy-duty slicer features a sharp stainless steel blade and an ergonomic non-slip grip for smooth, controlled cuts every time. Complete with a protective blade cover and dishwasher-safe design, it's the perfect simple tool for any pizza night. Make cleaning easy anywhere with this 2.98-gallon collapsible dish basin. Designed with a drain plug for quick water release, it's perfect for washing dishes, camping, or outdoor use. Foldable, portable, and space-saving, ideal for kitchens, RVs, and travel. Meet the A-Feel Stand Mixer, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With 2 stainless steel bowls, 8.5 cutie plus 6 cutie, it's perfect for any batch size. This 7-in-1 multifunction mixer handles everything from dough and batter to meat grinding, pasta, and cookies. Powerful, versatile, and sleek in black. Upgrade your kitchen game with A-Feel today. Make baking easier and more comfortable with this battery-operated electric flour sifter. Designed for effortless one-touch use, it's perfect for anyone with arthritis or joint pain. With a large 4-cup capacity and fine stainless steel mesh, it delivers smooth, lump-free flour every time. Easy to clean and fully washable. Get yours today for just $25. Add vintage charm to your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet Americana 50s Retro Toaster Oven. This mint-colored countertop oven bakes and toasts with 1,000 watts of power, fits an 8-inch pizza, and features adjustable temperature control with a 60-minute timer, perfect for quick, everyday meals in style. Create perfect pizzas every time with the Orblue Pizza Dough Docker. This handy roller with spikes evenly pierces dough to prevent air bubbles and blistering during baking. Easy to use and durable, it's a must-have tool for both home cooks and professional kitchens. Smooth, even crusts made simple. Introducing the StirMate Automatic Pot Stirrer Gen 3, your hands-free cooking companion for perfectly stirred dishes every time. With variable speed control and a powerful, self-adjusting design, it effortlessly handles everything from sauces to soups. This cordless gadget fits most pots and keeps your meals moving while you focus on other tasks. At just $84.89, it's a smart upgrade for any kitchen, making cooking easier, smarter, and stress-free. Protect your hands while cooking with these silicone mini oven mitts. Designed with heat-resistant, waterproof, and non-slip pinch grips, they make handling hot pots, pans, and baking trays safer and easier. Compact, durable, and easy to store, this set of 2 is a must-have kitchen essential. All for just $13. Keep your salads fresh and crisp with the Mr.Sega Large Salad Spinner. This 6.87-quart bowl lets you easily wash, spin, and drain greens, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. The built-in strainer ensures fast water removal for perfectly dry produce every time. Durable, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for healthy meal prep. All for just $29.98. Control your cooking with precision using the Yaramate 2-in-1 oil sprayer, just $9. This 16-ounce dark amber glass bottle blocks light to keep oil fresh while offering both spray and pour functions. Perfect for air frying, barbecue, and everyday cooking, it's a simple, mess-free way to use just the right amount every time. Organize your kitchen like a pro with the Ordora 8-tier pots and pans organizer. Featuring adjustable tiers and 3 DIY setup options, it neatly stores cookware of all sizes. Built for cabinets with a sturdy design, it maximizes space and keeps everything easily accessible. Smart, flexible storage made simple. Keep your countertops clean and organized with the Zuli Kitchen Spoon Rest. Made from high heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it holds multiple utensils at once while catching drips and spills. Perfect for spoons, tongs, and spatulas, this simple kitchen helper makes cooking easier. And it's yours for just $10. Mash with power and precision using the Joyeldelf heavy-duty potato masher, just $10. Built with durable stainless steel and a comfortable silicone handle, it effortlessly crushes potatoes, beans, vegetables, and more. Strong, reliable, and easy to use, it's the perfect tool for smooth, delicious results every time. Peel smarter with the Joseph Switch 2-in-1 potato peeler. Easily switch between straight and julienne stainless steel blades for perfect prep every time. Compact, efficient, and dishwasher safe. Your quick kitchen essential. Bring dull blades back to life with the Longs & 6-in-1 knife sharpener. Featuring 5 sharpening stages and a cut-resistant glove for added safety, it quickly sharpens, restores, and polishes knives and scissors with ease. A must-have kitchen tool for safer, smoother cutting. Yours for just $20. Shred meat like a pro with the Alpha Griller's Meat Shredder Claws. Perfect for pulled pork, chicken, and barbecue, these durable bear claw style tools make grilling fast and effortless. Ideal for dads, grill lovers, and barbecue enthusiasts, they're a must-have cooking accessory. Strong, easy to grip, and built for performance. All for just $9.97. Organize your spices like a pro with the KitchenArt Select-A-Spice Auto-Measure Carousel. This sleek satin finish rack holds multiple spices and dispenses precise measurements with a simple twist. No mess, no guesswork. Save space, stay organized, and elevate your cooking experience effortlessly. Make meal prep faster and safer with the Supmican Safe Mandolin Slicer. Just $41.98. Easily adjust for perfect cuts every time, from thin veggie slices to crispy fries. Chop, slice, and dice potatoes, salads, and more with precision and speed. A must-have kitchen tool for effortless cooking and cleaner, smarter food prep in 2026. Keep every dish warm and ready with the Lalashi electric food warming mat, just $67. This XXL 36 by 15 foldable mat uses advanced graphene heating with 7 temperature settings for perfect serving control. Ideal for parties and buffets, it's portable, easy to store, and comes with a spoon rest and travel pad for added convenience. Peel faster and safer with the Mutter 4-piece finger vegetable peeler set. Designed with a comfortable rubber finger grip, it gives you better control while peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Compact, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for quick everyday kitchen prep. Blend your favorite drinks in seconds with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it effortlessly creates smoothies, shakes, and frozen blends in the 24-ounce cup. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, it's perfect for quick meals and healthy prep at home. Keep your pantry neat with the Eucopia Shelf Bin Packet Organizer. This 4-tier, stair-step bin holds tea bags, medicine, and more, keeping items visible and accessible. Made from BPA-free, durable plastic, perfect for kitchen cabinets and organized storage. Make perfect Japanese-style omelets with the Happy Studio Tamagoyaki pan, just $30. Its rectangular non-stick design lets you roll eggs effortlessly for authentic tamagoyaki every time. With a matching lid and induction compatibility, it delivers even cooking and easy cleanup, ideal for quick, delicious meals at home. Enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice with the Ninja Neverclog Cold Press Juicer JC151. This powerful slow juicer features total pulp control with 2 pulp settings, so you get your perfect texture every time. Designed to never clog, it's easy to use, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, perfect for everyday healthy living. Make perfect eggs every time with the Techa Frittata and Omelette Pan. This non-stick, double-sided folding design lets you flip with ease for fluffy omelets and frittatas. PFOA-free and made in Korea, quick, mess-free, and perfect for everyday cooking. Slice pizza like a pro with the Kitchen Star 16-inch rocker blade cutter, just $25. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel design delivers clean, effortless cuts in one smooth motion. The large size handles big pizzas with ease, while the protective cover and dishwasher-safe build make it safe and convenient for everyday use. Create healthy, delicious meals with the Aurocomb Vegetable Spiralizer. Featuring 4 built-in blades, it easily turns veggies into perfect noodles and spirals. Ideal for zucchini, carrots, and more, it's quick, easy, and perfect for making fresh, low-carb dishes at home. Prep food faster and easier with the Kobach Electric Food Processor Meat Grinder, just $40. Powered by a pure copper motor and dual-layer blades, it delivers efficient chopping, grinding, and blending. With a 1.9 QT capacity, it's perfect for meat, vegetables, and more, making everyday cooking quick and effortless. Keep your fruits and veggies fresh longer with the TQRR 4-pack silicone food storage set, just $13. These reusable containers are perfect for avocados, apples, onions, and more, sealing in freshness and reducing waste. Flexible, durable, and fridge-friendly, they're a smart, eco-friendly solution for everyday food storage. Upgrade your kitchen with this 7-piece Japanese-style knife set. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for sharp, precise cutting, it comes with a foldable magnetic acacia wood block for stylish storage. Featuring anti-slip handles, perfect for everyday cooking and a great gift idea. Make perfect rotis in seconds with the Starblue 10-inch roti maker. This powerful 1200W electric press features a non-stick stainless steel surface for easy cooking and cleaning. Comes with a free roti warmer and removable handle, ideal for soft chapati, tortillas, and more every day. Make perfect omelets and frittatas in minutes with the Hallstein Houseware's 2-section omelet maker. Featuring a non-stick coating for easy cleanup, indicator lights for precise cooking, and a compact design for simple storage. Prepare 2 portions at once, quick, versatile, and delicious every time. Maximize your kitchen space with the Dola-like microwave oven rack. This expandable countertop shelf features durable carbon steel construction, 3 convenient hooks, and extra storage for utensils, cookware, and tableware, perfect for keeping your microwave area neat and organized. Cook smarter with the TiferSync 8 Cutie AI Smart Air Fryer. This 9-in-1 XL air fryer features a built-in wireless meat thermometer for perfect results every time. With a 450 degrees Fahrenheit max, non-toxic ceramic coating, and space for a 6-pound chicken, powerful, quiet, and dishwasher safe. Peel like a pro with the Kuhn Ricken Original Swiss Peeler 3-pack, just $17. Featuring ultra-sharp carbon steel blades, these lightweight peelers glide through fruits and vegetables with ease. Designed for comfort and precision, this colorful set is a must-have for fast, effortless kitchen prep. Cook perfect rice anywhere with the Bear Mini Rice Cooker. This portable 1.2L cooker handles 2 cups uncooked rice, features a non-stick BPA-free pot, and a 1-button cook and keep warm function. Compact, easy to use, and ideal for travel or small kitchens. Pour batter with precision using the 800 milliliters stainless steel pancake batter dispenser. Perfect for pancakes, crepes, waffles, cupcakes, and muffins. Features an easy flow spout and measuring gauge in ml and cups for mess-free, consistent baking every time. Upgrade your prep with this meat tenderizer attachment for KitchenAid mixers. Featuring 3 adjustable thickness settings, it tenderizes and cubes meat quickly and evenly. The transparent cover adds safety, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup easy, perfect for faster, better cooking every time. Keep your favorite seasonings organized with this 3-grid seasoning box with tray. Designed for salt, pepper, sugar, and spices, it features individual compartments with spoons for easy serving. The hanging wall design or countertop placement offers flexible storage, while the fresh green finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Make every bite tender and flavorful with the JY Cookmint Meat Tenderizer, just $9. Featuring 48 ultra-sharp stainless steel needle blades, it breaks down tough fibers for juicier, faster cooking meat. Perfect for barbecue and marinades, it helps flavors soak in deeper for restaurant-quality results at home. Slice fruits and veggies like a pro with this multi-handheld mandolin slicer, just $11. Featuring an adjustable stainless steel blade, it delivers precise, uniform cuts every time. Designed with a comfort grip and built-in safety features, it's easy to use, quick to clean, and perfect for fast, hassle-free meal prep. Cook perfect frittatas every time with the Cuisinart FP2-24BK 10-inch nonstick set, just $100. Designed with premium nonstick surfaces, it ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. The durable black and stainless steel construction delivers even heat for flawless cooking, making it ideal for eggs, omelets, and more. Maximize small spaces with this slim 3-tier storage cabinet. Its narrow, movable design fits perfectly in tight spots, offering convenient storage for bathrooms, kitchens, or living rooms. Keep essentials organized and within reach while adding a clean, space-saving touch to any room.
Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Neretva 20-in-1 bread maker. Featuring dual heaters for even baking, a 2 lb capacity and a non-stick ceramic pan, it delivers perfect results every time. With a 15-hour timer, 1-hour keep warm function and low noise operation, all for $199.99.
Elevate your seasoning with the Finamill Ultimate Gift Set. This battery-operated spice mill comes with 4 interchangeable spice pods and a sleek stackable tray. Featuring adjustable coarseness, a ceramic grinder, and LED light. Perfect for effortless, flavorful cooking. Blend like a pro with the Tiger Smoothie Blender. Featuring a powerful diagonal blade design, it effortlessly crushes ice and creates smoothies, milkshakes, soups, sauces, and even matcha. Fast, smooth, and versatile, it's your all-in-one solution for delicious drinks and meals every day.